In this video, I'll show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy phone not receiving phone calls. So if you're not receiving any calls from your Samsung phone, then here's the real guide of how you can actually fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, now to fix the problem, before you do anything, swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back off. This will slightly restart the network system and see if that fixes your problem or not. And also, it's just to make sure you haven't enabled the do not disturb mode. If it's already enabled, go ahead and turn this option off. And once you're done with these settings, you just need to check out some of the more important settings. Open up the settings app from your Samsung phone and then tap on connection, the first option. And from here, go ahead and tap on mobile network. And inside this one, you'll get to see a few different options. So you just have to go ahead and select the SIM card that you're having problem with. And here, if you selected with the LTE 4020 Auto Connect, you can select the 3020 Auto Connect. You can do the same settings for your both SIM card where exactly you are having the problem with. And then simply get back from the settings and then press and hold the phone application and then tap on this I button. And here you just need to tap on this force stop button and then scroll down, tap on storage here and then tap on clear cache, and you just need to tap on clear the cache for the phone application, then get back from here and restart your Samsung phone once. And once you're done with this process, most likely your problem is going to be solved and you will start getting the calls on your Samsung phone. I hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.